the 2nd of October 1981, President Reagan announced a plan to develop a variant of the B-1 bomber. The plan is to build 100 B-1Bs with the expectation of having the first B-1B squadron operational in 1986. The B-1B will be built to replace the aging B-52 bomber. The B-1B program will permit more time for the planned advanced technology or stealth bomber to be fully developed, both technically and operationally. The B-1B will incorporate the latest proven technical advances and will provide payload versatility. For example, an additional 14 cruise missiles can be carried along the fuselage externally. Recently completed studies, plus the bomber penetration evaluation flight tests, show the B-1B capable of penetrating advanced Soviet defenses and can maintain that capability into the 1990s. While the cruise missile is extremely accurate, they are only effective against targets of fixed location and known value prior to launch. The B-1B, manned by an experienced crew, can place at risk potential targets whose location or status are uncertain when a conflict begins, but are presently safe from our arsenal of retaliatory weapons. The B-1B long-range combat aircraft is the product of over 19 years of studies and evaluation. The crew consists of pilot, co-pilot, offensive systems operator, and defensive systems operator. Its weapon bays allow carrying of nuclear air-to-surface missiles, nuclear or conventional gravity bombs, and other weapons or fuel depending on the mission requirements. Two-thirds the size of a B-52, the B-1B can carry a payload almost twice that of the B-52, and the B-1B has a cross-section significantly lower than the B-52. Its swing wing permits it to get airborne faster and use less runway than a B-52. Thus, more existing runways will be available for use. More airfields with shorter runways allow greater dispersion and reduce potential aircraft losses. The B-1B will incorporate all the latest electronic systems and will use ejection seats rather than the crew ejection capsule. 4 General Electric turbofan engines will power the B-1B at high subsonic speeds at treetop altitude with an unrefueled intercontinental range. The B-1B also has a higher penetration speed and a lower penetration altitude than the B-52. 2 of the initial B-1s will be used in testing selected systems and operations that may be incorporated into the production of future B-1Bs.